Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to edit the thumbnail image in your class on GMind Class Hub. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open your dashboard. This is my GMind AI dashboard. I'm going to click on Class Hub, then select My Classes. For today's walkthrough, I'll be using the ICT JS2 class. Step 2. Enter your class console. Once I enter the class, I can see Welcome to ICT JS2 class. This is the thumbnail image I want to edit. Step 3. Edit the thumbnail image. To make changes, 1. Click on Edit Image. 2. Under the header text area, I'll change the title to Welcome to JSS2 class. 3. Next, under Select Header Image, click on Click to Upload. 4. Choose your preferred image from your device and click Open. 5. Finally, click on Sync to save your changes. Step 4. Confirm the update. You'll now see that the image has been successfully updated on your class console. The new class appearance details for JSS2 are live. At this point, you can continue adding content to your student's class menu as needed. And that's it. Your class thumbnail has been beautifully updated. If you have learned something from this tutorial video, give it a like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorial videos. See you in my next video. Enjoy GMind AI, powered by Go to Course.